Okay, now we're on the second video, and as you can see, we're still in the view mode over here. So we're going to go back into edit, and our frames are going to reappear, and we're going to put some content in here, and we're also going to put in a organized by, and we're going to put in a contact form in here, and we're going to do this, put in the initial content really fast, and we're also going to put in a header one up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for a text HTML. We're going to do this top one up here in the head pane first. We're going to leave that blank. We're going to set it so only we can see it right now. We'll click head pane and top, and we'll click add. And while we're waiting for that to refresh, we'll flip over here to another copy of the same page. We'll put in another one over in the write out. Leave it as bottom and click that. And now going back to the other page, you'll see that this head pane has appeared. It's got the red box around it like we had before. And we're going to need to put some content. Now I went ahead and put in text in Notepad, some stuff that I want to put up there. So I'm going to copy that, go back to this window, and I'm going to click the settings button here. The edit content button here, the pencil. And you'll see our familiar little HTML editor there is going to pop up. And then Control A will highlight all, Control V will paste, and there we go. Okay, now I want to set the font, so Control A will highlight them all, and my font, site-wide standard font is Verdana. You can use other stuff if you like, but Verdana is the standard. And we're going to block justify the text, okay, and then we're going to unhighlight it just by clicking in here. And this size is going to be small, and this one is going to be size extra large, second one from the biggest. Okay, now you can see there's our layout. This is the text that we're going to have up there at the top. And if we hit Control A and highlight them all again and go here for our text color, white, and you'll see that that's all pretty much disappeared on you. Now if we click the source button, you can see all the HTML code that's involved here. Style, text align is justify, so that means it's going to line up left to right all the way across. The color, the font size, there's the text itself, and then there's all the end of the set of instructions, and then we go into the next paragraph, etc. Now, if I Control A, Control C to copy that, then hit the update button, you will see that content is now going to be up at the top of that page. As soon as this refreshes, there we go. And again, the editor's only box around it. Well, going over here, flipping real quick, I've got another page I need to edit that header on, and we're going to let that come up, and we're going to delete this one. And now you're thinking, well, why didn't he just edit that? Well, because that one's a default one that appears on all new pages automatically. And if I edit it, it will edit it on all the pages, okay? So now we are going to insert another text HTML module there in the head pane at the top. And that's going to pop up here in just a second. And now we're going to edit that content, all right? And then coming up, you probably know where I'm going here. If I hit the source button and Control A, Control V, I've saved myself all that extra formatting stuff in this section, and have automatically set myself up to duplicate that in this window as well. Okay, now we're going to see how that worked. We're going to flip back over here to the other one here real quick, and we're going to change the container. That's this red box around it, and we're going to make it visible. So we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to inherit page permissions from the page. We're going to drop this down here. We're going to go none, display container, allow print, no. We're going to go to no title again, click update, and you will see here in just a moment that now we have that box. And if we go into view mode real quick, you see how that is going to display to the general public. Okay, so that's how that works. We're going to pop over here real quick. Again, it's settings. Okay, the page is going to come up here in the edit mode, inherit permissions. We're going to go down here, uncheck that, check that, go to no title, update, and there you go. So that's the second shot at adding some basic text HTML. We'll end this video here and move to the next one.